ACME Solar's subsidiary ACME Marigold Urja has signed a power purchase agreement with Northeast Frontier Railway for a 130 megawatt round-the-clock renewable energy project. The project will supply electricity at 4 rupees 35 paisa per unit, with operations scheduled to begin on 25th February 2029. The agreement will remain valid for 25 years, providing ACME Solar with long-term revenue visibility from the project. Adani Energy Solutions has won a 4,700 crore rupees transmission project in Maharashtra. The project will support up to 4,500 megawatt of renewable and pumped storage power. It will add 562 circuit kilometer of transmission lines and 9,000 megavolt ampere capacity. The project is expected to be completed within 36 months. MTAR Technologies has received purchase orders worth 126.74 crore rupees from Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited (NPCIL). The orders are for supplying coolant channels assemblies for reactor refurbishment. The work relates to the Rajasthan Atomic Power Station (RAPS-4) and Madras Atomic Power Station 2 nuclear reactors and will be completed by May 2028. MTAR's nuclear order book was now crossed 775 crore rupees, its highest ever.